All right, folks. Brian with TNT Over 50 here. I am trying a new recipe tonight, and you guys are experiencing it with me. So we're doing quesadilla burgers. Here we go. I got the burgers on the grill, and I put onions, bell peppers, and a little bit of just spices and stuff with like paprika, onion, garlic, all that good stuff. What we're gonna do is grill these burgers, and I also put eggs in my burgers and stuff too, with a little bit of breadcrumbs, gluten-free of course. So after these are grilled, we're gonna slap them on the tortillas on the grill, and it's gonna be awesome. So stay tuned to check it out. Of course, my wife and I are doing gluten-free. My son does not. So I've got these tortillas. Actually, take this one, put it aside. That one's not doing too good. I've got the tortillas kind of like in like a butter, to where we're gonna slap this sucker on like this. The fire's low. I am taking the hamburger, putting it here, with a couple of these other ones, and taking the burgers, putting them on this. Next thing, putting the cheese on. And I do like cheese. Put this, a little bit of cheese there. And again, these are quesadilla burgers. So, gotta have a spatula going on here. Take that. A little bit of cilantro. All right, now, and again, I've got the tortillas kind of laced with my grass-fed butter, to where these are gonna come out like freaking phenomenal. Put that over the top there. Fold this sucker over. So you can make them however you want. Let that grill for just a sec, and we're gonna see how it turns out. All right, here you go, guys. Check it. These things look freaking awesome. Check that. Quesadilla burgers. This is my son Caius, and me and my wife. These are gonna be good. And of course, gluten-free. And whatever diet that you're on, you can load it up with whatever nutrients and all that stuff that you guys want to put on your tortillas. So turned out really good, and these are going to be awesome. So till next time.